Yeah, we're gonna start on this point right here and then go in this cove right here. It's kind of a steeper bank, and then there's some really good stuff around the corner on the right.
That's as far as I'm going.
That's all right. Welcome to another episode of Redneck in Vegas. Out here on Mohave, December 2nd, 3rd,
I think.
Friday. We have not been out here in a long time fishing. Sorry for the delay on the channel, but we do have a special guest. My dad's here all the way from South Carolina, star fisherman. We're going to get him on some fish today. That's my goal, to get him on some fish. Water temperature is 60, way different than I thought it was going to be. I have no idea what the fish are doing. We're going to make a little run. Air temperature is like 50. It's chilly for us. So for December, I guess we can't complain. It's not snowing like some people. Appreciate watching. We'll see you back out on the water in just a few minutes. Look at that! Pop's our first smallmouth. Look at how small that thing is, man. Hold that up to the camera. Look